Hi everyone, this next video is going to show you the simple search command for a specific content, and it's actually very simple to use. The way you get search up is one of two ways really. As usual, I prefer keyboard shortcuts, so I'll just tell you that search is Ctrl F for find. Alternatively, you can come into Home, and in Find and Select you have Find, which again tells you Ctrl F. And this specific one is the simple search, so we're going to ignore the options and we'll just search for something like the only cell that has euro in it is that one. And note that I'm searching lowercase and that's uppercase, and again by default it doesn't matter, and it will just jump to the first instance of where it finds things. Now if I search for something that has more than one occurrence, GBP being one of them, then I can just say find next and find next, and it will keep jumping to the next one closest from your current position. The other thing you can do, if you want to list of all things, you can just click find all, and it just gives you all the places on this worksheet where you find that specific search thing, the find what part. So that is simple search, and thanks for watching. The next one's going to be showing how to do a search and replace, which will be much similar to this one, but do watch if you don't know how to work with it. Thank you.